ColourPop sent me their Valentine's collection. Let's check it out. Been dying to see these blushes. Oh my God. So I just did this look with this palette. I did another video on that if you wanted to see how I did it, but super easy, simple, and just fun and pretty. Are there three? I think there might be 3 blushes. In the collection, you've got Cuter Than Cupid. The palette is Heart to Get. Get it? You've got 2 Shadow Sticks Kit, 2 little lippies. This one looks glittery. There's another one. There's a third one. This one looks more matte, just kind of a pinky matte color. What is this one? Another matte, like a light pink matte. Gloss Up, a sheer comfy lip gloss with a smoothing high shine finish that doesn't feel sticky. Okay, great. Look how precious though, with the little heart. Helps when you open it. Whoa, did you see that? Whoa. It's like a cheese pull. I don't want to put it on because I already have a cute gloss on. I have another ColourPop gloss on. I don't want to mess that up. Don't want to rip the box. These are so cute. Oh, oh my God. Look how precious. That one's kind of a shimmery. I love a shimmer blush. Feelings Mutual. Oh, it's pink. Oh my God, these are so cute. Open it. Oh, this one's popping out. I'll have to maybe glue that in there or something, but it's a darker shimmer pink. I don't want to tip it over because it's going to fall out, but it's so beautiful. Oh, I love that color. Look at it. I'm going to put that on right now. Ooh, it's like creamy. Okay, last one. Ooh. Ooh. These are Super Shock blushes. I think it is kind of a, you know, that creamy formula. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, these are all so beautiful. The pink one was Feelings Mutual. Not Your Baby, I think, was the lightest. And Cuter Than Cupid. A little brush. Need a little brush. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Look at it. It matches my shirt. Yeah, these are all blushes. My daughter's in here. Aren't they the cutest? It's the cutest thing ever. Aww. Aww. For the screenshot. Aww. Okay, so this is the cutest little collection. Thank you, ColourPop. The new Heart to Get collection. It is probably available now. TikTok shop, ColourPop.com. Can't get these out. These are one of the shadow sticks. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Just put some of that right there. Wow. The shadow sticks are so fun because they're so easy. Easy peasy. So if you're not good at makeup, it's a good way to go. Thanks, ColourPop. You have my heart.
What's in the heart?
It's blush, baby.
I know, but I want to see what color. And all of the hearts. Oh.
Okay.
I'm going to hold down.
This is the one that I used. Pretty. And then this one's dark. What do you think?
Can I hold?
Pretty?
Can I?
They're soft.
I'm holding all of them.
All right. Thanks for watching. My name's Amber Wood, Almost 50 Makeup Mom. Bye.
Bye.